In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Webflow to Claude. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on Customize over here on the left inside Claude, and then click on Connect Your Apps. Here under Search, you want to type in Webflow. There we go, and you want to click on this plus button. It's gonna wait for a few seconds, and then it's going to prompt you to sign into your account. So of course, if you're signed in already, you won't have to, but of course I'm not, so I'm just gonna have to do it manually right now. I'm gonna recognize this, and I'm gonna click on continue, and then just basically use your credentials to sign in over here. As you can see, I'm going to basically use my account over here. I'm actually gonna continue with Google because that's the sign-in method I actually last used for my account. Of course, it's up to you, whatever you want to do here. And then you have to wait for a few seconds, press continue over here, and it's going to load everything. And then when everything is authorized and actually logged in, you may have to authorize twice. There we go. Here you have to basically give it access to workspace. I'm just going to check this, and I'm going to click on authorize app. You of course could only authorize some of them. You don't have to authorize all. I'm just going to do this right like that. Click on authorize app, and then it's going to take you back to Claude, and inside there you'll be able to basically use some of the functions that Claude provides together with Webflow. Okay, so as you can see, it says connected. I can now go to connectors top left, and in here I can go and see basically the permissions I've given it to Webflow, and then top right I can view details, and these are all the tools I can use. So I can go ahead and use this inside my chats, and it's basically going to interact with my Webflow account. That's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.